If you want to open Figma and get straight into designing, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Figma is one of the easiest design tools to use because it runs right in your browser, which means you do not need to install complicated software before getting started. Whether you are brand new to Figma or just need a fast refresher, this guide will help you open it the right way in just a moment. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Figma website at www.figma.com. Make sure you are on the official site so you can safely access your account and your design files. Once the page loads, look for the Login or Sign Up button. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your details to access your dashboard. If you are new to Figma, choose Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. After you are signed in, Figma will take you to your dashboard, where all of your projects and files are stored. From there, you can choose any project or file you want to work on. Just click the file and it will open directly in your browser tab. This is one of the best parts of Figma because everything happens online, so you can start designing immediately without waiting for downloads or installations. Once your file is open, you are ready to create, edit, and collaborate right away. You can use the canvas, layers, frames, and tools to begin your design work, all inside the browser. And that is how to open Figma quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.